Hi, my name is Sharuk, and in this video, I'll be going over Hawk AI's performance overview page. Now, what I love about this page is that it gives our users the ability to view key information about each of their Hawk AI accounts. You're also able to add new accounts by clicking on this button right here. Now, say if you're just starting your week and want a quick health check on all of your accounts, you can easily do so from this view. Our users are able to view the health of the media budget, progress towards goals, and see up to 8 individual metrics. And then this also includes your custom metrics. Now, you're also able to search individual accounts through the search bar here. You're also able to filter through different platforms. So if you want to look at an account that, say, is integrated with Facebook, you can click on the Facebook icon, and it will show you all the accounts that are integrated with Facebook ads. Now, if you want to also create custom tags for each of your accounts, it helps with organization tremendously. So some ways where we've seen users use tagging is for assigning individual accounts to, say, an account manager or to, say, a location. So some tags here, we can also do tags based off of things like what platforms you're using, geographical locations, as well as, say, whether or not they're an e-commerce client or a lead gen client. You can filter based off of those tags as well. And it's very easy to create a custom tag by just clicking on tag filter. You can click on add a new tag. Let's say I want to give use a tag for my name. So I'll type in just my name right here and click on create. So I've got a tag with just my name in here. And let's say I'm an account manager for Bird Toys. Well, to assign myself with this tag, I click on manage tags. I can search my name. There it is. Click on the checkbox and apply. Perfect. As you can see, under each account name, you're able to see which platforms each account is integrated with, as well as the tags here as well. Now I can use the tagging filter to search my name and click on the check, apply that, and now I can see all the accounts that are tagged with my name. So it really helps with just viewing the accounts that you need. It really, really helps for those clients or accounts that have tons of different accounts and they want to filter it out easily. Now, we also have two different views. You've got the budget view, which is kind of the default view. Really great to see the budgets track how you're spending throughout the month. So we have this media spend tracker right down the middle here. And for each account, you can see what the current budget is, how much you spend to date, and the percentage to expected spend as well. Once you hover over the progress bar, you're able to actually see the different platforms and how each of the platforms are spending and what the budgets are. So for this account here, I can see that Google Ads has a budget of 50,000, Facebook has 10,000, and how I'm pacing against those budgets as well. And then on the right-hand side, we have the individual platforms with the different budgets. And what's really neat here is you're actually able to see what your budget is, but also adjust it here as well. So let's say we're running really hot here on Google Ads. If I really need to increase my budget, I can put it to maybe 100,000. I'll just click on save. And one more time. Perfect. And now, as you can see, not only does my budget change, but also the progress, the spend tracker as well. And I can do the same thing with Facebook as well. I'll click on the edit budget icon. I'll change this to, say, 20,000 and click on save. Perfect. And again, you see that updating here on the media spend tracker column as well. So that's very handy. You can take that action right in within the performance overview page without having to go into the individual account. Now, the second view we have is the metrics view, which will show you up to 8 individual metrics, and this also includes your custom metrics as well. So let's say for this account that I manage, I can see total conversions I've got, sessions, goal completions, as well as I can see what goal I've assigned each one of these metrics. So as you can see, I haven't really set up any goals just yet. So if I want to create a goal, I can just, again, click on the edit icon, maybe create a goal of, say I want to have 20,000 conversions. I'll click on save, and perfect. So now I can see that there's a goal down below here. Now, if I want to adjust any of these metrics, I can click on the three dots here, and I can edit the metrics displayed. I can also export this entire view as well into a CSV if I needed to. So let's click on Edit Metrics Displayed, and opens up a pop-up window of the metrics that I have. And if I want to remove, say, let's say CPA test, I'll remove that, and then I can add in another metric. Say I want to add in average order value, and then I'll just click on save. Perfect. And now I've got the average order value metric here as well. So again, not only can you really track budgets and budget pacing within the performance overview, but also monitor some of your key metrics as well. So a very, very handy tool right when you log in. And again, you're able to also adjust the time frame. So it defaults to the current month. But if you want to take a look back and say, pull up numbers from previous month, you can do that as well. So I'll go back into the current month. And finally, like I mentioned, you're actually able to add your client account right from this view as well. So as soon as you click on the button, pops up the window where you're able to now create your own client account right from this view. So that becomes really, really easy to do. I'll just exit that setup. So wonderful. And so that wraps up the performance overview page. And as you can see, it provides a holistic view of all of your accounts so that marketers and account managers can quickly gather the information that they need. Thank you so much for following along.